Okay guys, so I'm showing you my porch and we are again working as you can see here, putting up the vapor barrier right here, and it's dark, but I just want to show you guys that. So that's what we've been doing, me and my hubby. We've been working hard getting things together on this old farmhouse. We're renovating and fixing and making it up the way we want, you know. So let me pan the camera around and let me show you guys what we have been doing. Okay guys, so it's day 2 of the build. We're insulating the sides. As you can see, we're doing the whole side wall. We started from the bottom and we're doing the whole area here. So we almost done one area. We still have this bit to do. So my husband is cutting, and while he's cutting, I am putting the staples in and attaching it to the, this is the barrier. So all I'm doing is stapling it, and the loud noise is the gun firing the staples. So this is all I'm doing. I'm just stapling everything down. This thing is very loud. And in goes the staple. So guys, this is a lot of work. It's a lot of hard work. You have to get this thing in, and then we have to put the drywall over the vapor barrier. So this is what we're doing, and I'll show you once we're done. So this is what we're doing, but I just ran out of staples, so I need to get me some more staples so I can continue working. But everything is looking good. We're just working in increments because we can't take everything down because we need to work in that section. We still need to run our business, so we're still running our business here, but we're doing the insulation on the bottom. All right, staples are in the staple gun. Let's do some more stapling. I think this one should work better. Let's see. Now my husband is just cutting the top of the what is that again, honey?
Vapor.
The vapor barrier. It's cutting the very top so that we can tape it down with the tape. And this is a very technical process, so you have to take your time so you won't cut the plastic too low. But he's a man, knows what he's doing. So as you can see, we're done putting the vapor barrier on. We work together as a team, and now everything is on. The plastic is on. He's just gonna cut that out so we can put the tape on. Let me show you guys a view from over here. So it's looking real good. He's gonna come and cut out all the plastic in the bottom because I stapled them all down. So yeah, then we're gonna put the drywall at the bottom. Then the next thing to do will be the windows, and of course I will show you guys when we get to the windows, but today is not windows. So guys, that's it for today. Good morning, you all. It's day number 3, and we are still fixing and doing insulation. As you can see, I'm not gonna show you myself, guys. I'm a mess. My hair is a disaster, and we've just been working like crazy. So I didn't even film you guys us putting this up, because yesterday I showed you guys us putting the what was it again? It's the barrier, the moisture barrier. I filmed yesterday showing you guys how to do it, how I was doing it. So anyways, I did the whole, my husband did this early this morning, and then he had to leave to get some other stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys pretty quick, because I myself is crazy busy doing stuff. So we did the whole area here. I'm going to squeeze myself. And so we got all the way here, and then we kind of ran out of drywall. Well, we not quite run out, but the guy at the store cut the drywall wrong, so hence is the reason. But we have an extra sheet of drywall, so we are going to put that up as soon as my husband gets back here. And this piece of drywall is right here. So yeah, we have that piece right here, and he's gonna put that up. We're gonna cut it to size and put that up when he comes. And yeah, there is our trash bin with all the pieces of drywall and stuff that we took out. So guys, so that's basically it. We have to move on to doing the windows, but that's gonna be definitely another day, because I have all this work here to do. I have all these herbs to preserve. I have to dry them, put them inside the containers, and get going. So just lots of work doing on this farm. So I'm gonna close off the video here, and definitely I'll come back with another video showing you guys when we start to install these windows, because we have to, right here we have to put the caulking, has to go on before the windows go up. So I'll see you in the next one.